Good idea.
Wait, what happened?
Amiga CD32, bro.
CD32.
Are you kidding me? First of all, it's just an error on Amiga CD32.
Second of all, Emio Nuki's video. Now the number blocks 3 productions and my videos.
You know what? I gonna restart IT. IT LOL. LOL LOL.
Stop.
Why did IT crashed?
Now
is that
IT
red screen background
turn into a red.
You word.
You just said a new everything. Nerd moment.
Press click nitrogen monoxide.
Stop saying nitrogen monoxide.
Nerdtrogen nerdoxide.
Stop saying nerdtrogen nerdoxide.
Why did I can't boot up on the screen?
Oh no,
I
it's the
told
black
you
screen.
nitrogen monoxide more turning IT on.
What is that music? I hear that copyright sound.
That's it. Press risk life leaving on.
Last chance.
I entering safe mode.
You know what? I'm going to safe mode.
Let's press on it.
What's just happened?
Wait. Fatal error incoming.
How? It's just fatal. Nitrogen monoxide.
Stop. New Amiga CD32 is dead. Let's buy a new one.
Okay.
Well, fine then.
Nerd.
Stop saying nerd.